Hi, this is Pradeep from QSpiders Rajajinagar. One of our student Maitry Patel. She will share her experience about the training in QSpiders and she will just share the experience. Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Maitry Patel. I have completed my Bachelor's of Computer Application from SJR College, and the training which I had pursued here was very helpful. The training which I had taken was full stack testing, software testing, that is manual SQL, Java, Selenium. And the training which I completed for the QSpiders was my 30 days journey where we had learned Selenium and Java. So this training which I had completed in QSpiders had helped me a lot to crack the assessment. So the training which we had done 30 days was only Selenium and Java, but in the interview they had also asked complete manual and Selenium also.
So, according to you, what should be done to get job?
I have hard work, and whatever was taught here you shouldn't forget, because for me they had completely asked manual which was not taught there for 30 days training. So as I was very good in manual, it helped me to crack the assessment.
Very good. Congrats. All the very best.
Thank you, sir.